Here at Crown Molding Concepts, we've developed two tools, the crown molding scales and the crown molding ruler. These tools help you measure accurately and cut correctly when installing crown molding. Research shows that coping crown molding is the preferred method when joining an inside corner. And when you're coping crown molding, it's all about projection, which is simply the dimension from the face of the wall to the face of the molding. When cutting on the saw, the molding projection from the fence should be the same as the molding projection from the wall. Sometimes after coping a piece of molding, it doesn't fit. Most times it's not the coped end on the molding that's wrong. More likely, it's the piece of molding on the wall that is in the wrong position. Once installed, it was extremely difficult to find the true projection of the molding on the wall. Now, the crown molding ruler allows you to find this projection easily and accurately. The crown molding ruler is two plexiglass plates with rulers on the edge.
On the ruler corner there's a square, and these two edges resemble the wall and ceiling. Take a piece of your molding, place it on the square, and read the projection and drop-down dimensions of the molding. Now slide the plates so the rules cross at these dimensions. Tighten the nuts and place the ruler on the wall and up against the ceiling. Then by each rule, put a pencil mark on the wall and ceiling. Now hang a string on the wall between these marks and place a pencil mark every 30 inches along the line on every wall. These marks are where to set the bottom of your crown molding. If the molding doesn't sit on your mark at the corner, then something is wrong and the projection has changed. It could be a warp in the wall frame, a bump in the drywall, it doesn't matter. You need to measure the projection with the crown molding ruler to make a custom cut before coping for this corner.
Place the lower plate against the wall and slide it up to the bottom edge of the molding. The other plate you place against the ceiling and slide it over to the top edge of the molding. Where these two rulers cross this dimension is the true projection of this piece of molding on the wall. So now that you know the projection at this corner, you can transfer this dimension to your saw where the crown molding scales will allow you to cut your second piece of molding correctly. The crown molding scales are a series of rulers applied directly to the table of a miter saw. When the blade is turned to 45 degrees, you have a ruler that is perpendicular to the fence. This allows you to place the molding at the true projection of your corner. When coped, this joint will fit perfectly. As you can see, the crown molding ruler helps you measure accurately, and the crown molding scales help you cut correctly. Used together, these will save you time and money. Grab your set from this display now. And be sure to visit our video library for other crown molding installation tips.